I was doing rehabilitation for knee surgery that I'd had. Rehab has helped get me back into running. It's close, it's convenient.
I had diabetes, and I was paying over $500 a month for diabetes medication. Over a course of about 14 months, lost about 150 pounds. It's exercise and it's fun. Back in the 80s, we used to dance, so now we get to dance in the Zumba classes. So, we just have a ball.
I come to CrossFit 5 to 6 times a week. Primarily, I was a runner before, and now I actually am not afraid to do the weights. The facility is very convenient to our home and to my work. It is a place where we've always felt comfortable bringing our children as well to the kids zone.
I had 4 kids in 4 years. When I want to work out on Saturday morning, I bring them up here. They ask me sometimes, when are you going to work out on a Saturday again so we can come up here?
Twice a week I meet with my trainer. She's just really helped me kind of stay focused, and it kind of starts my week out right and it ends my week out right.
You don't have to be one type of athlete to enjoy Health Zone. We've tried yoga classes, we've done some of the ripped classes, and we really enjoyed all of them at different points of our lives depending on what we needed.
The staff here is exceptional. Exceptional. There's a very good cross-section as far as ages here.
I know there are a lot of options out there, but the people that work here, they're fantastic. They help you figure out what's best for you and figure out what's going to work for you along the way.
I like the people I work out with, and I like the facility. It's big, it's open, you don't feel claustrophobic in here. There's a variety of machinery to work on. You never get bored. You can always find something else to work out on.
It doesn't take a lot of time to get a good workout, showered and back in dress clothes, grab something to eat and be on your way.
No contract whatsoever, more than ample parking. The big thing is just people know your name here. It's a community. It's very, very cool.